you planning to take exam AB-210? Accelerating sales pipeline with AI in Dynamics 365. Then this video is for you. AB-210 exam replaces MB-210, which is retired long back. Upon passing, you will earn Microsoft Certified Dynamics 365 Sales AI Consultant Associate Certification. In this video, we will cover what is included in exam, type of question you can expect, the key technical areas you should focus on, and how to prepare effectively to maximize your chances of passing. How AB-210 is different from MB-210. So AB-210 is a brand new exam and it is significantly different from old MB-210. The focus has shifted heavily toward AI powered sales capabilities like AI assisted selling, AI based lead prioritization, intelligent opportunity research, conversational intelligence, sales agents, and AI powered productivity. For complete set of sections and subsections, I have shared link in the description. When it comes to exam, so let's talk about exam pattern. In my exam, I got two case studies. They are easy if you study scenario very well. We have multiple choice questions, some yes no type of questions, some fill in the blanks, and lot of drag and drop questions. For drag and drop questions can be challenging if you have not done hands-on. So I highly recommend to do hands-on on the product. The exam typically contain around 70 questions to be completed in 120 minutes. So time management is very important. So how to prepare for the exam? What topics to study? As I mentioned, hands-on practice is very important. In exam, we get a lot of questions about product catalog, like price list, unit groups, discount list, product families, and so many other options. So prepare very well about product catalog. Lot of questions on goals and forecasting, and lot of questions on the predictive lead scoring, and also a lot of questions on Dynamics 365 Sales mobile app. And when it comes to AI and Copilot part, many questions on Copilot settings and Copilot. And please expect a lot of questions on the sales AI agents, sales qualification agent, sales close agent research, sales close agent engage, and sales research agent. Expect a lot of questions on these agents. Make sure you understand what each agent does, how to configure, and how to use. Apart from practice on Sales Hub and about agents, to pass exam, we also have to focus on some functional areas like Power Apps customization, Power Automate flow types, Power BI, Business Process Flows (BPF), Copilot Studio basics, and also about the ALM, Power Platform environments, security rules, and a little bit about the users. Be sure to review official study guide to understand the complete list of skill measured. Now question comes how to prepare for the exam. Most of learning material is available on Microsoft Learn. Is good enough, but hands-on practice is very important that you can easily do in Sales Hub from the functional perspective. And when it comes to agents, you need to access Copilot credits to get practical experience. If you don't have access, spend extra time understanding the concept, architecture, capability, and real world use cases of the agents through Microsoft documentation. Reach me if you need any further support.